குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ திருநீலியம்மன் துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. Scorpio Lagna Bhava benefits. Scorpio house is the first sign. Their self-discipline, self-thinking is a good thing, and their concern for society keeps prompting them to turn it all in the wrong direction. He will go to a job properly. Someone will try to change his course by asking him to do this and that, and will push him to go on the wrong path, and this experience will remain with him. The thing that spoils them keeps coming from others. Their self control and self interest will be tested a lot. In the good case that comes to them, there will be many trials and external stimuli will keep coming. One should follow Sriya Dharma honestly without fail throughout his life. It is better not to trade self discipline and self honestly for any reason. If they give up once, they will suffer forever. Self respect should not be given up for anyone. If an object is given in your hand and taken to the place where you were told to give it, but if you do not do the responsibility you were told to do, or if you do not do it properly, or if you steal the object, or if you miss the object, it means that you have not done this work properly. It causes negative karma. It is what keeps you born in Scorpio. Scorpio Lagna starts in Visakam star. Visakam is Rahu karma. Rahu Gars gives problem related to breathing. For one to develop respiratory problems, their karmic record must be associated with the third bhava. Because the third bhava is the lungs, the third and fourth bhava is the chest area, the lungs are the heart, and this is the air area inflatable bag. That is the third sign. Scorpio is the eighth sign. Gemini is the air house. Karma is connected to every atom and every movement with a cause, and there is no action without a cause. Reason is the only thing that create us, directed us, and guides us. Reason is only a tool. Sagittarius house is the second sign. Bhava that can move from its level to the next bhava. This bhava works through karma of relationships. Father, father's maternal uncle, mother's elder brother, sister's friendship, income, place of earning, his cashbacks, the contacts that will be available through it. The related matter, his speech, his confession, all of these will get a lot of contacts. The bhajan conference meeting of great people will get the connection of science. They will get contact with talented people who have expertise in their field. It is a blessing given by God. He has opportunity to speak casually to people who cannot be reached without prior permission. Capricorn house is the third sign. The bhava which speaks about duty, birth duty, information technology, short trips, first attempt, close friend, father-in-law, younger brother, people younger than him, written communication device, memory card, cell phone, internet, Wi-Fi, social websites, all these they keep communicating about this third bhava. This is their birth duty. Capricorn urges them to do this duty constantly, being engaged in social media communication 24 hours a day for others and not for themselves. Their duty is to do other people's work. Thereby they can activate the third bhava. Always it is their duty to keep exchanging information and make them search for and do things related to the third bhava. Thus the business will grow and expand as if they get a treasure. The third house should be performed with integrity. It should be used properly. 3711 electrical products, electrical technology, knowledge and experience. The extent to which they involve themselves will directly improve the career. The extent to which they develop skills in the field of information exchange. The extent to which they develop their career. The third bhava relatives will make them frustrated. It is their duty, so they will get merits. Aquarius house is the fourth sign. The 11th bhava for time of God is the bhava that produces friends, the sign that produces karma, the bhava that gives us the result of our actions, the bhava that gives us results, the profit that we can get through those results, the gain, the bhava that can embrace it all. Aquarius, this bhava hides many secrets, many treasures. Through this bhava, one can achieve happiness and ambition. The bhava of fairness, honesty, desire, and wish fulfillment becomes the fourth bhava for them. House, property, happiness, relationships, friendships, habits, education, place of study, going of study, attending small training classes, and graduation. Aquarius will be active in all these activities, taking initiative to learn a trick through a Jupiter or taking a step forward. Then you will have a huge circle of friends. This is not an ordinary relationship but a great relationship. It will lead to the pinnacle of profession through the connections of a group. This will provide human links, the greatest power in this world in the communication of people, the communication of the human chains, the communication that is available in the place where you can learn how to direct them and who has what skills. If it honest and fair, then greatest success is sure. No one can stop this. It can be a stepping stone to achieve a bigger dream. Someday Aquarius Bhava will complete their lives by uplifting them. Husband, wife, partner, opponents, business circle are for seventh Bhava. They will get great success through their business connections, through which they can enjoy the full benefits of Aquarius strength. Fourth Bhava will have Mars curse, young widow, in maternal relationship, those who are separated in marriage, late marriage, child marriage, unmarried people, people suffering from work are all there in mother's family. Revati stars will be present through Kartika and Purvapalguni stars. Pisces house is the fifth sign. Pisces is the bad person who can say about waste, good fortune, medical and abroad life. The eldest child is the fifth bhava, grandfather, lover, beloved, close friend of close friend. Loss will happen due to fifth bhava relationship. This bhava says good and bad. Fifth bhava tells us about foreign opportunity through relationship, night work, nightlife. The bhava that can tell our nightlife. The bhava that can tell how we pass our night time for foreign contact job, opportunity, career, what is the trade relationship between our country and abroad and so on. How can we earn foreign income while staying here? How should we do foreign job business while staying here? How do export import? How do foreign relations, foreign communications, foreign life related understanding, wisdom, experience and foreign awareness is a bridge that can be told medical world, medical expenses, doctors, drug shops, hospital, total wisdom, awareness, experience like the relation of important data repositories, sign pieces, overseas opportunities, communication, many things, medical world, knowledge, wisdom, basic information, basic awareness. These two are the biggest dimension: wisdom, knowledge, awareness, relationship of the fifth sign. A lot of information available through grandfather's relationships, elder children's connections, boyfriend, girlfriend connections will help through the fifth sign. Knowledge of these two fields in is occurred through the fifth sign. The bridge of reversion is Sun Karma. The bridge of Pisces is the sign of having more than one marriage, and the eldest child does not have this role. It should be seen through his horoscope. Aries house is the sixth sign. All this bhava will be hubbub of dispute panchayat. The wife and partner have a panchayat. If you don't get a job, you won't get a steady salary. If they take a loan, it will not be useful for them. They will spend what they have bought on others. The case will not be favorable for them. The sixth sign will not be useful for them. Sixth bhava public service will benefit them by making a good contribution to society. Bank loan, life insurance industry is used. It is beneficial if the teacher, accountant helps others. If you buy it, you will not be able to hide the ugliness and shame that will be caused to you. Even if he wants to hide the secret, fear, shame, it will be known to the poor. Taurus house is the seventh sign. A business that can be more mobile. The things related do it go in the morning and go home in the evening. Compulsion to do business from abroad like return business. Take advantage of these opportunities. You can go out from your own home and do business. If you do this, there will be more growth, change of place and growth. All these are the seventh sign. Helping housewives in relations to the seventh sign to get their own profit and merit. They will get merit and gain. Or helping the husband professionally will benefit both of them. Seventh sign partner, customer, husband wife relationship between us and the outside world. 17112. Those who live apart from their family for the sake of education and work. Those who are temporarily separated always do a business with the outside world connections, and depending on this, they go around the town for their own profit and merit available. Gemini house is the eighth sign. The generality of the eighth sign is the sign of ugliness and shame. Fear life, pension income, life insurance, opponent income, wife speaking ability. All these are eighth sign. It is better for them not to say wrong things openly as Gemini is the eighth malefic for Scorpio. Lagna insurance matters should not be disclosed. The details of the insurance should not be disclosed to them or the people at home. Many of these are tempting. Wife source of income should not be disclosed. If they don't talk outside, it will be known outside. For example, if they report theft of an item and then secretly help take action, it can be found quick. Accident, death, event problem should be investigated secretary, otherwise it will turn into a problem for them, and they have to keep the ugliness and shame within themselves. Cancer house is the ninth sign. The father's trick should be used when a trick is developed and success is obtained as a bond of sign. If you fail to use it, you will rarely get that change later. When a father does something to his child, he should accept it without denying it. If you refuse it, you will not get it back depending on the ninth sign. where there is a lucky situation. There will be a situation in which they will tap out. It should be accepted immediately and not rejected. Communications of great men. Research study. Further education, telecommunication, transport, information, technology, life, astrology should be available when available. Leo house is the 10th sign. They will give importance to matter related to the 10th sign. Interest and involvement in matters related to business, but they will have to search for the things related to the 10th sign and it will not come automatically to them. But they will keep running in their minds that they should be successful in business. They will give first priority to career. They will give importance to mother-in-law. There will be a lot of career related interest and desire, but they are the ones who have to go looking for it, and it will not come. The house named Leo is the throne, the ruling house. The king should stand with his hands tied before him. If something goes wrong in a business related matter, they should go and fix it, and nothing related to business should be fixed sitting down. He should go and fix it himself. Mother-in-law place, father's place of income, they should get it. The house named Leo is the house that can tell the dosha of a son. The house where the Jupiter curse can be sight. The Jupiter curse is there is the mothers-in-law family. There is child dosa in the family. Father-in-law DNA connections, father and DNA connections, mother-in-law in the family or childless people born late in the family have these defects in lost family lineage will definitely have Jupiter Karaham. Virgo house is the 11th sign. Fight, case, court case, negative place or platform successful sign, Panchayat can say sign. That house of Virgo is cursed by Saturn. 11th Bhava, elder brother, elder son-in-law, elder daughter-in-law, stepfather, friends, circle, society group. This 11th Bhava depends on the character of the 6th house. Due to them, debt, problems, fuzzy case, health disorder, due to them, they spend on medical treatment and get loan for them. Everything related to the 11th sign will continue to be hostile to the 6th sign. No matter what kind of relationship it is, these Lagna are lending money through the 11th sign. Grandfather trusting son-in-law, daughter-in-law, trusting lending, elder brother trusting lending. You should not take loans and give loans to them. If you do so, there will be a fuss and fight in the Panchayat. If you give it to them, the money will not come when you think. So you have to struggle. Don't trust anyone to invest in share ticket marketing. The 6th sign for them is Aries. Borrowing from them does not benefit them. If it is meant to benefit someone else, that person should not be related to the 11th place. One should know the character and beg. If that is the case for begging, then debt is a big thing. Persons belonging to the 6th sign, 11th sign should not touch hands. 11th Bhava Garaha, relationship trouble in the family means not interlining too much good. If you interfere too much with the 11th bad relations, they will have problems. Success for them also comes through this 11th sign. Spending brains without investing and living only by hard work is the 11th sign. Good karma should be used and it can be used for their success. 11th sign is love, danger. You have to think and act according to your logic. Libra house is the 12th sign. Father's mother house, mother's father house, 12th sign. The movement of Libra begins when wasteful and burdened with debt. Business loss through the experience gained in this waste of good fortune. One gets to know the character of people, and after that one gets progress in life. Through this Karagam, one gets improvement after the greatest ugliness is humiliated, general waste, common friend's family, getting a girl through a friend's family member, getting a groom through them, getting a girl through a friendly circle, finding a girl by looking for a friendly circle. This is the trick of getting a groom for them. It is a sign to tell the outside world. Medical matter expenses, foreign travel 9-12 will contact. By doing this, the 12th sign is becoming a slave. The 12th sign is becoming a bridge room. Secret, research, staying away from house, staying in a place that has nothing to do with us. The back part of the body is the 12th sign. The thing that we cannot see is this 12th sign. The fact that we are living in a place contrary to the environment we grew up in is the 12th sign. The people involved in the 7th sign will be with the 12th sign. It will be a family that can live differently. A dowry will be in a family that can afford high medical expenses. Their husband-wife family has that characteristic that everyone goes to the hospital more. They have the experience of handling, landing money and getting it back. There will be ugliness and shame. Through this, the maturity of dealing with people will be understood. By getting experience of interacting with people from the outside world gives a below and ripens. 12th signful relationships, they can get good friendship by spending some money, wanting communication and keeping it in touch will cost them and keep them. That's all, Scorpio Lagana Bava. Thank you, thank you, thank you.